In this video, I'll show you how to verify integrity files on your Steam account. Now first, you're gonna open up Steam. From in here, go into Library. Once you're in here, you're gonna find the game that you want to do it on. I'll just choose a random game, let's say this. Right click on it, locate Properties. Now once you're in here, there will be a few different sections out here. You're gonna click on Installed Files. And from in here, there should be one that says verify this game's files are installed correctly. So you just click on this, verify, and then let it load for a little bit. Now this might take some time depending on how big the game is and stuff like that. But once it's done loading, it will be verified, and if there's any errors, it will fix it. So let's just see, it will be done here in 2 seconds. And as you can see, now all 133 files are successfully validated. So that's how you do it on Steam, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.